All right, I don't even know how many times I've tried to make an intro, but this is it. I'm not going back and forth anymore. I haven't filmed in I don't even know how long, but yeah, as you can read about the title, today is gonna be a baby shower special video because your girl has been baking. We have a huge bun in the oven baking right now. I feel very blessed, and I just wanted to take this time and thank God for this blessing. Carrying a child, and you know, it's been rough. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a rough journey, but I am grateful for it all. I just thank God for blessing my family and I and the world with this child, because I know this baby would do amazing things, just like all of my children would do amazing things in this world to give God glory. That's one of my biggest prayers. And so yeah, I'm very, very grateful. I just want to say thank you, Lord, and I pray that everyone who comes across this video, if it's a child you're looking for, may God bless your womb. May God bless your womb and bless your family with whatever it's in your heart, like whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. May God bless you. I'm sorry, like my brain is like all over the place because sis is pregnant. Okay, we are 33 weeks, almost 34 weeks pregnant, and this pregnancy has been a rough one. Like, it has been a rough one. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it, but if I were to do it again, I would do it all over again, because it's definitely worth it, and it's gonna be even more worth it in the end once I can, you know, hold my baby. And I also want to take this opportunity and thank all the ladies who came together. They know themselves, my sisters. They came together to make this possible. I couldn't thank them enough. I initially didn't plan on doing anything, just because with my second baby, Allison, I didn't do much. I didn't do anything pretty much, because birthdays and I don't know, just organizing things is very stressful, especially when you're pregnant. It's like, y'all, I did that with my first, and I was just like, nah, I'm over it, you know. But I just thank God for putting these ladies into my life, and you know, them just coming together and doing something like this for me. It means so much to me, and I pray that God bless each and every single one of them with whatever their heart desires. Like, if it's a child, I pray that God gives you the child that you want, of course according to his will. Health, wealth, I pray that God blesses your families abundantly. And yeah, it's gonna be a baby shower at the restaurant. It's a diaper/wipes shower. It's a diapers and wipes. I don't know why I'm saying slash. It's a diapers and I'm out of breath, y'all. It's a diaper wipes baby shower. It's gonna be held at the restaurant, and yeah, today has been a journey. Like, I have been, you know, trying to like film a lot of videos that you will most likely see these videos after I've already given birth, because that's just me. But I'm trying to, you know, film them in a way that you are able to still follow along. And today I woke up, because I usually like to use my Canon G7X, but the lens broke, and yeah, I never thought that would happen to me, but it's all right. We're gonna make it work with this one. Hopefully the lighting is good for now. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I know I'm not looking very glamorous right now, but I'm about to transform into a whole mamiana in just a bit. You know, I gotta go hop in the shower, put my makeup on, put my hair, everything. You will see the transformation, and then we're gonna head down to the baby shower. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I'm super excited for my child. I'm super excited for my girls to meet their brother or sister, because we have not known the sex yet. And yes, let's see the transformation, guys. Catch you in a bit.
have a model.
She's ready for baby number 3.
Yes. She's ready for this model. Look at this model. Okay, just turn around for us. Turn around. Yes, girl. Oh, now you team girl?
I'm team
Because you pink. Yeah.
I'm team boy, but
You team girl. You came with pink.
no, I'm team boy.
Okay. Osas, we have to know who's team boy, who's team girl.
I'm team boy.
Team boy. Osas, what's up, girl?
Team healthy baby.
Yes.
This dress. It's like this. Yeah.
All right, you guys. Are we team boy or team girl? Osas. Boy. Team boy.
Boy.
Team boy. Are we team boy over here or team girl?
Team boy.
Team boy? Where we at? Yes, team boy. Are we team boy or girl over here? Team boy or girl? What is Lisa having? Boy? Boy? We all team boy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. You want water?
Yeah, I have water. I guess so. I'm officially at the baby shower. I'm super excited. The lighting is actually really good. But yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog like throughout the night, I guess, because it's gonna get darker eventually. But the lighting right now is good, so I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I possibly can. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.
Lisa, would you like to stand? We just want to pray first and foremost, of course. Would you please lead us in prayer, please, Toya?
Bless your name. We are fighting for this day, oh God. We come to celebrate this, oh Father God. We pray that we come and continue to celebrate every person, this child, and this child be healthy and happy. May this child bring joy to his family's life. Thank you for everything that came, for all the gifts. May we eat this food, may it nourish our bodies, and we walk home safely in Jesus' name.
Amen. So number 2, the baby will say my name first. Daddy said it. Good job. Number 3. Who is the best gift giver?
Mommy.
I said mommy too. Because daddy just give the money. We go out to buy the gift, right?
And said daddy?
Daddy. She said daddy. You know these numbers.
Oh my God.
Number 5. I will be more patient. Daddy. I went with daddy.
I said it's mommy.
I put daddy, but she put mommy.
It's mommy.
He's mommy.
Again, I just want to thank my ladies for coming through for me, for decor, planning, everything, the gifts, everyone who was able to, you know, just show up. It's definitely a gift, and I just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. God will bless you, and I pray that God blesses your homes. And yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and close out this video. Now we're just gonna wait for the baby. We got a whole bunch of diapers and wipes over there, so we're good for a few, let's say a few months, a year. We're good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you did not, if you loved my transformation. But I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much. God bless.